Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a video on how to do your winged eyeliner. So everyone's always asked me, how do you do your eyeliner? It comes out so perfect, which I don't think so, but practice makes perfect, guys. Practice, 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 because if not, you're never gonna get it right. So I'm going to be teaching you how to do that today. So the eyeliner that I'm going to be using today is going to be from Maybelline, and it is called the Maybelline Precise, actually the Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner, and this is it right here. So I just got this. I haven't used it yet. This is going to be the first time, so hopefully I like it. I saw the commercial the other day and I was like, oh, that looks cute. So I bought it, and let's get started, guys, and see how this eyeliner works. It's not hard at all. It's really simple. Now the hard part, the wing. So usually I just go upward, just a line going up. Depends how long you want it. Some people like it really long. Some people like the line really short. It all depends. And then you would just connect it, sort of like a little triangle. And then just fill it in. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Very simple. Okay, that looks perfect to me. I'm going to do the other eye now. And then when I come back, you'll see the final result. So here's the final look, guys. So the Maybelline eyeliner I tried for the first time. So far, so good. I love it. It's waterproof and it goes on really, really smooth. So I will be using this eyeliner again. I recommend it to everyone that needs a good eyeliner. That's a good one. So there you have it, guys. All done. The winged eyeliner. Very simple to do. Not hard at all. What's going on here? Sorry. I just noticed. Hair is not cooperating. Alright. So thank you guys for watching. Once again, practice makes perfect. You don't have to be an expert. I certainly am not. So all I did was practice and I got it right. So if you guys want to subscribe to my channel, you can click below, and also follow me on Instagram. The link is also below. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Wait, guys, don't leave yet. Up next, you'll see what I had to go through to get this video done. Trust me, it was a struggle. This is not as easy as it looks. So stay tuned, have fun, laugh with me, and enjoy. So there you have it, guys. Wing eyeliner, all done. It's that simple. It's not hard at all to do. Hard at blooper. So there you have it, guys. The winged eyeliner. All done. It's not even that hard to do. Very simple. And I don't have the music on. Like, hello. So the eyeliner that I'm going to be using today. Oh my god. I forgot the music again. Like, oh, what is going on? What is going on? Jesus Christ. Just a little reminder, guys. If you want to subscribe to my channel, all you have to do is click right here. And if you want to see my previous videos, you can just click up here. I look like a model, right? Thanks, guys.